Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the place glitch effect like this. So it's super simple. You're just going to add the body effect. So first, open the CapCut apps and tap on your project and select your video or a photo that you like to edit. And yeah, for example, I'm going to open my project here, and for example, I'm going to split the clip, and for the second clip, I'm going to add the pass clip, just click style, and just going to effect and select body effect. And in training you can find fast glitch. Just tap on it and tap on it again to adjust its atmosphere and intensity and color. Alright, just get check mark and adjust for the duration and position. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.